Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited because I've been waiting all week, over a week, for this to arrive. I have a huge Scentsy box that was delivered today. This is Harvest Collection stuff for me and a couple of my customers. So I thought that I would unbox and haul with you guys. So if you like to see what other people buy in terms of home fragrance, Scentsy stuff, I hope that you will stick around and watch this video. If you don't already know, I am a Scentsy consultant. So just to be transparent, but I am very honest about what I think about scents, products, things like that. I don't want to steer anybody the wrong way. So I do stand by what I kind of perceive to be a good product and not a good product. If you don't already have a consultant, I will also leave my website down in the description box below. If you would like a consultant or if you want to order anything, I'd be happy to be your consultant. So go ahead and click that button if you don't already have a great consultant. Okay, opening the box. Definitely going to keep this box because this is a perfect moving box and there is so much packing paper. Look at this. I mean, you're going to protect every single dish in your kitchen with just this one Scentsy box. Okay, I'm just going to pull what is closest to me. And this is for me, actually. I bought the Harvest Collection cleaning bundle, and this is in red pear and pomegranate. So in it, you get the counter clean and the dish soap. I'm obsessed with Scentsy dish soap. I feel like it's the best Scentsy cleaner out of all the cleaning products that they have. I absolutely love it, and I don't like the container of it. As you can see, it's one of those. What I usually do is I pour this in a dish soap dispenser that I already have, and red pear and pomegranate is absolutely lovely. I think I won't be able to smell it. Red pear and pomegranate, it almost smells like an apple to me, but oh yeah, this almost smells. This is a lot sweeter than what you would get in the wax. I feel like the wax, there's a lot of tartan to this. This is much more sweet. And I smell the pear so much more than the pomegranate. And I feel like in the wax, I smell the pomegranate more than I smell the pear. So that is red pear and pomegranate. Oh, and the counter clean. Counter clean works great on a variety of different surfaces. Not really great on wood tables. It leaves a lot of streaking. So just letting you know about that. But on granite and marble, things like that, works really well. Okay, next this is actually for a customer of mine, a friend of mine. This is the Mini Mummy plug-in warmer. This is under wraps, and I'll see if I can show you guys what it kind of looks like. So that is so cute, perfect for Halloween, and a nice, beautiful kind of jade green dish. This would be great. You can see in the back it has little holes, but in the front you have this little guy, this little mummy with green eyes. Super cute, love this. And there's also a larger warmer, and I believe these are still available. I'll also post a link to the actual Harvest Collection in the description box below. Next is Paranormal Pumpkin, and I kind of want to unbox this for you guys, but it is completely sold out. It's sold out within 24 hours. This was probably the most popular item that Scentsy put out for the Harvest Collection. I'm gonna see if I can open this. Okay, so that is that. I'm not gonna undo the wrapping on the cover, but you can see it's like a pumpkin, and there's these beautiful cutouts, and I think this would be great with any colored bulb, and Scentsy does sell colored bulbs, I believe for $3 each, really cheap. And a beautiful, just clear dish here. Look at that design of the haunted house. I'm kind of jealous that I didn't buy this. I ended up getting something else, which I'll show you guys in a minute, but this is for a customer as well. And I'm so glad that I stayed up until midnight to purchase this for her, because if I would have waited after work, I probably wouldn't have been able to get this. So that's the Paranormal Pumpkin. Like I said, it is sold out, but you guys can kind of see what it looks like. That way, if it does become available later down the road, since he sometimes does that, you guys can snag it for yourself. Okay, one more warmer, and this one is for me. And I got, sorry, a bunch of wax just fell off. This warmer of the month for October, no, not for October, September. What month are we in? And this is Haunting Good Time. Haunting Good Time. Let me go and show you guys this. So it comes with a square dish like this. I'm gonna assemble this for everybody so you can see. So that is Haunting Good Time. This is with it not lit up, obviously. How cute is this? So you got the pumpkin here, you got your witch, ghost, black cat here in this great haunted house looking contraption here. You're gonna put your glass right here, which I'll show you. So I put it right here, and then you're gonna put the top of the house right there. Okay, so I just turned it on. It would probably look better if it was darker in here, but it's not. But I plan on putting actually an orange or purple bulb. I think purple would look absolutely fantastic in this haunted house. I am obsessed. I actually was kind of like, should I have gotten the Paranormal pumpkin or should I have gotten this? I think I picked the right thing. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys like it. And be honest, it's okay. There's stuff for everybody, right? With Scentsy, not everyone has to like the same warmers, but let me know in the comments down below if you like that. Absolutely cute, spooky. I'm here for it. Let's go through some wax, shall we? Let's go through the Harvest Collection first, which is the 3-pack. I have 2. One is for me, one is for a customer. And this is of Toasted Acorn and Oak. This is the one I was not quite sure I was gonna like. I have a feeling I'm either gonna love this or I'm gonna hate it. Okay. I actually like it a lot more than I thought I would. It is definitely very woodsy with a cinnamon bakery note in it. Wow, this is intriguing. Beautiful. The woods note is not like a sandalwood or a cashmere. It's definitely a little bit more sharp, and there's that bakery spice into this. I actually really, really like this. That is Toasted Acorn and Oak, and this is sold as a 3-pack unless you have a Scentsy club. Then you can add individually the bars that you want into your Scentsy club. Okay, next is Cranberry Pumpkin Spice. Let's see. Okay, all of these are totally not what I expected. I don't detect any cranberry from this at all. I get red hot cinnamon and like a spicy pumpkin. The pumpkin spice is definitely spot on because it's a spicy and then a pumpkin. I don't detect any cranberry from this at all on cold. So I hope that it comes through warmed. So stay tuned for that. So that's cranberry and pumpkin spice, or cranberry pumpkin spice. And finally we have orchard apple and spice. Orchard apple and spice. Look how pretty this wax is. Ooh, I really like this. This is, again, you have spice, like that cinnamon and nutmeg, or no, cinnamon. This is just cinnamon, but it's not as red hot cinnamon as that cranberry pumpkin spice, but it's still spicy. There's apple that I detect right away. I almost feel like there's a little bit of cranberry in here that should have been in the cranberry pumpkin spice. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is fall for you right here. This reminds me of pumpkin apple from Bath & Body Works, honestly. But there's no pumpkin, I don't think it's supposed to be. I don't think there's any notes of pumpkin, but that's what I'm getting from that. So if I had to rank from the Harvest Collection, which includes orchard apple, cranberry pumpkin spice, and toasted acorn and oak, I'm gonna say orchard apple and spice is number 1, followed by toasted acorn and oak at number 2, and cranberry pumpkin spice is a last for me. I have some more wax to show you guys, but I also did get the Harvest 3-pack in the pods too. I'll see if they smell any different. Okay, the toasted acorn and oak, it smells much more bakery in the pod. Very sweet, actually. Orchard Apple and Spice has a lot less of that sharp cinnamon. So if you're not looking for cinnamon, you might like the pods better. And Cranberry Pumpkin Spice, this almost has a pine note to it. Very weird that this is the stuff that I'm detecting off the pods versus the wax. But I got a 3-pack of that. If you don't know what Scentsy pods are, Scentsy does more than just wax. Like you saw, they do cleaning supplies, but they also do plug-in fan diffusers. And you put these pods in there and you just get a nice light background of scent. All right, September, if I will ever get these months correct, the September scent of the month is Scary Good. And I grabbed this one, and the notes on this, it just reminds me of pumpkin cinnamon swirl. So we'll see if when I smell it, that's what I get. Okay, I get canned pumpkin at first, but thankfully not that nasty canned pumpkin from Pumpkin Marshmallow. So you get that canned pumpkin with a really nice nutmeg, a tad bit of clove, but it's not super spicy at all. And like a little bit of marshmallow. This is what I wanted Pumpkin Marshmallow to smell like. Thank goodness it's not available. It was a part of Bring Back My Bar last year and I did not like it. But Scary Good seems like it's gonna be really scary good. So I'm excited to get that one a try. I don't feel like it's inventing the wheel per se. I feel like it's probably not that far off from other pumpkin spice bakery type of scents that come out in the fall, but you never know. This might be club worthy. Okay, and then I have some Nightmare Before Christmas bars here. So this is brand new, I think. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas Roll the Dice. Look how fun this green slime looking wax is. You can see there, I have a fly that is buzzing around and it's bothering me. Oh my gosh. I love this. This has a pine note to it, like almost like a balsam and pine scent. With, gosh, like sweet berries. Oh my gosh, I need to look at what the scent notes are. I'm gonna put the scent notes here for you because this, totally not what I expected. I love this on cold. I so hope that this reflects just as well warmed. Definitely think that this might be geared a little bit more towards Christmas time, but I'm here for it. There's a clean note to this too. Almost like a clean note that you get from sea salt and avocado. That's just what I'm getting. Next is Jack's Obsession, and this one is this neon, like a super light neon green. Okay, this is apple and pear with a little bit of cinnamon. It's really pretty. I get more pear than apple actually from this. So that is Jack's Obsession from Nightmare Before Christmas. And then I have 2 bars of Halloween Town. Okay, this is cranberry, some other sweet berries, like maybe a strawberry with a little bit of like sweet cashmere. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty, Halloween Town. So I got one is for a friend and one is for me. And I went through the box. It's empty. Thanks for hanging out with me and hauling with me. Have you gotten anything from the Harvest Collection, or are you thinking about doing so? If you've gotten something or you have something on your list, leave me a comment down below and let's geek out together about what we're all getting. We are on September 9th, you guys. I think about 6 more days, I'm going to be switching things out for fall. We are still in the mid-90s here in Northern Nevada right now, so the weather is definitely not calling for fall, but I have a feeling that might change maybe in the next week or so. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw here today, please give this video a thumbs up before you go. And also be sure to subscribe if you like home fragrance content or if you like clothing try-on stuff like with Stitch Fix and Wantable. If you like chit chats, I have one that is about a mastopexy. If you don't know what that is, you probably aren't interested. I did one on a Brazilian laser hair removal. I do some travel stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed what you saw here today, and I will talk to you guys again next time. Bye-bye.